Melon okra at Abe's kitchen. Egusi okra. Look at the egusi. Look at how firm it is. It's a seed. So yummy. Follow me and let's cook. Hello, Abe's friends. Welcome to my channel at Abe's kitchen. This day I just want to show you my own version of egusi okra, melon okra. How I make my own egusi okra. I have spinach. I have stockfish. In this bowl, I have goat meat, I have cow feed, I have tribe, that is shaki, I have bonga fish, and then this is my okra, it's already been chopped, and this is my pepper, habanero 2, and 1 bell pepper. In this bowl that I soak with water, that is ogiri, castor seed, and this is my beef stock. This is my melon, egusi, and my palm oil. Okay, let's go and cook all at Abe's kitchen. Okay, this is my fry pan. I've already preheated. The first thing that I do, the twist in my own okra, egusi or melon okra, is that I fry my melon, my egusi. I put some oil in there, palm oil. I preheat it for like 1 minute, then I fry my egusi. Okay, I'm ready. Right now I'm going to add my blended egusi. What I have in this egusi is just onions. That's all I blend with it, and I'm going to fry it for like 3 minutes. You can have a little bit of salt in it, then stir, fry together for like 3 minutes. Okay, look at the egusi. It's formed. That's what is ready. I like to fry my egusi anytime I'm doing egusi because it's already cooked, done, and it's ready to go. So let's set this aside and let's start cooking our okra egusi. That's my pot now. I'll add my beef stock in it, and I'm adding my castor seed, my ogiri. They call it ogiri igbo. And my pepper in it all together. I'm adding everything. See, all my meat, everything is so rich. I'm going to stir it now and boil for 10 minutes. Cover it up. You know what, let me just add a little bit of oil. Remember, we fried the egusi with oil, so you need to be careful so that you don't have much oil in it. Let's just cover it. Let's check our stew now. See, we're going to add I'm going to add the okra now. Add the okra, stir it together and cover for another 4 minutes. Okay, let's check on our okra. Look at it, boiling so okay, now I'm going to add the spinach on it. I'm going to add the spinach now and stir for a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to add the melon now, the egusi. Woo! Then stir gently because I want that form, that's a good seed that is formed, to still show. This is my own version of okra egusi. Look at the egusi, look at the melon in it. Oh, so cool. Look at it. All at Abe's kitchen. Look at the tribe, Shaki Onigbawe. All at Abe's kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Abe's Kitchen TV. My Facebook, Abe's Kitchen. Like my page on Instagram, Abe's Kitchen. Thank you. You will see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. I love you. Ciao. Have a blessed day.